Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to record audio here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adobe Express does not have a built-in audio recording feature like some other Adobe software that you are using or familiar with, such as Adobe Audition or Adobe Premiere Pro. But you can still add audio to your project by recording it using external tools and some of the methods that we are going to share. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse thousands of inspiring designs so you can begin your work. And if you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click this button. As you can see, in my case, I'm going to record audio because the video that is included here is not of my preferences or liking, or if it has like a background noise, you might want to remove that. For you to be able to do it, you can simply go to the edit timeline. You can add an audio here, because if you do, it would ask you to record your voiceover if you want. If you click that, you just have to allow permission to record a voiceover. Go to the browser settings to grant microphone permission. All right? You see that? And from here, all I have to do is record your voice here. And of course, it will be added to the added audio here in the bottom part of the timeline. It's very easy. Right now, I can't add a voiceover because I'm using it in the recording, so it's gonna be kind of like it's a conflict. But if you're not recording a video, you would be able to use the record a voiceover here in Adobe Express. All right. Now going here back again to the media, audio, record voiceover, and record again. You just have to go to the browser settings, and then if you added the audio here, all right, from the voiceover, all you have to do is once you're satisfied with it, just go to the download section wherein you can download the all design, including the recorded audio here in Adobe Express by choosing all these formats. Obviously, the best for that is MP4, so you can hear the audio that you recorded to be part of the whole design. Now, if you want to share this recorded audio in part of the design that you work with, you might want to click on the share button and share the link to your client or to your boss, or get a copy by saving it to the cloud options here. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.